You'll never guess what I got in the mail today. Technically, it was yesterday, and I already opened it. I was too excited, but... Boys, we got ourselves an STI Wing. Clearly, I gotta go ahead and paint it and actually get it mounted up and everything, but just looking at it on there right now, God, it looks like I have a legitimate WRX now. So it does come with the third brake light too. We gotta go ahead and wire that up. Obviously, I have no clue how to do that, but we're gonna learn as we go because that's what we do here. I've also got some WR blue paint sitting in my living room. I got 2 cans of it. I'm gonna go grab some clear coat, and either later on today or probably tomorrow, my boy's gonna help me go ahead and just start painting it, and I'm gonna mock up some holes and get myself an STI Wing. I think it's really cool that I can look behind me now and see that I have this giant lunch table on my trunk. So I'm going over to Junior's house right now. We're gonna actually just throw the wing on. We're gonna bolt it all up and wire it and everything. And then either later today or tomorrow, me and another friend are gonna go ahead and actually paint it so that when we take it off, we don't have to make any holes or anything, scuff up the paint. We're just gonna take it off, paint it, throw it right back on. Maybe asking yourself, wow, Jacob, why don't you have your shirt on fully? It's like 87 degrees outside, and my car has no fucking AC. So we're rocking it with no shirt right now, guys.
You get like pieces of like tissue or cotton or whatever, you stuff it in the holes.
So
right?
these ones are here?
Yes, like these ones, this one, all that shit. These ones we'll discover later.
Okay.
This kind of shit. But mainly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then two goes in, right?
So basically what he was saying is, I don't know if you guys understood, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna stuff these holes with some cotton, like some tissues, and we're gonna go ahead and just spray the bottom of the spoiler and then flip it over so we can make the marks on the hood, and then we're gonna go ahead and drill holes from there on those marks. God, this is gonna be so fun!
Oh yeah.
We're gonna throw the spoiler. Oh, why are you right in my face?
Yeah, like literally over there. God damn. Yeah, keep it going, keep it going. Move this out of the way. All right. Keep it coming. Keep it going. All right. Yeah.
Dude, the sun was like legit blinding my face.
I know, that's why I was like, yo, fuck.
It's like that one race in Need for Speed. You ever play Need for Speed, the run? Like the,
yeah.
At the very end at the docks, and like you're driving, and like the sun is just like, nah, fuck you. And it does exactly what it's doing right now, and you just can't see anything.
Oh. 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 I know. That's what I was saying. I was like, oh.
Oh my god, this is terrible.
Whew. Okay. All right. Yeah, you can keep going.
What is hitting? What is that?
You're like at the same. Oh, that was in the air. That was literally. Oh, it's in the air. Oh, no, now it's touching. Now straight. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Just launch it.
Fuck you.
Nah, that's gay. It looks so much better without that little tail thing.
Without the
little
tail
thing.
On it, right? It's gonna look even more phenomenal when we put the legit big wing on it. It's gonna be great. We're gonna give
Can
Sabrina
they
a
see
car
this?
wash. Ooh!
Can they see that? Oh yeah. Hi. Yeah.
Right now we're trying to thread the brake light, the line through here, so it can come out of here. But that's proven to be slightly annoying because inside of here legitimately is just all open, so we have to kind of just hope that it falls through.
You know what sucks? I just saw it too.
Did you actually?
Yeah, I did.
Hang on, let me see. So we had to use these little hooks on here to like legit pull it out. God, it was kind of strenuous, but like fairly easy in terms of everything else.
Wait, you didn't break it, did you? Yeah,
No, I didn't break it. I just had to bend a little bit.
No, you did break it. You literally nicked like a little piece off. But
Oh,
it's
well, you know what? Sabrina, you can deal with it.
He broke the condom.
So satisfying. Ooh! Alright, I wish I got that in one go, but I didn't, so fuck it. Alright, let's just thread that right through there. Thread that back through there. Boom. And then we need these nuts, right?
Yeah.
So when it comes to wiring, I don't know. Like I said before.
Luckily,
But we just learn as we go. How old are you again?
22.
This wing legitimately will kind of stop you from going any further. So there's like a little indent right here, which if you try to push forward, then it's gonna start to rise up over the body, and then you'll literally feel that it's out of place. So there's not really any way that you can mess up fitment on here. The only thing I'm legitimately worried about is because I've never drilled holes in anything before. Like I don't want to fuck up my holes. I don't want to make any wrong cuts or anything. So that's the only thing that I have a little bit of concern about. So now you guys can kind of see a little bit more what I was talking about when I said we're going to stuff the holes with tissue paper, just to make sure that we get the holes as precise as possible. And then we're going to spray it with this just a small little coat on the bottom, literally right across these. And then we're going to flip it. That way it can make the marks, and then we can drill our holes after. And it should be precise. Right
Make sure
across.
it's thick.
Thick?
Like, you know what? Just go like this. Just go. And then. Oh, that's right.
Alright. Alright, ready?
Oh, wait. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay. Ah!
Oh, you
I sprayed it the wrong way! Go, 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 go!
I'm trying. Look.
Move it over to the right a little bit.
I actually can't. Like, it's perfectly on. What the fuck are these?
Because I'm looking at it right now, and it looks like it's more towards the left a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Got it? Oh, God! Yay! All right. Okay, so we got all the holes and everything made. There's just a couple fitment issues on the right side. Everything is lined up just about perfectly. We just have a couple small adjustments to make. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now, and I might not record it honestly because I'm getting kind of tired and it's super late. This should not have taken us this long, but it did. So I'm probably gonna pick this video up again tomorrow, and then we'll just start painting, and it should be complete after that. So yeah.